Creating a Facebook app basic intro. Creating a Facebook app is quite straightforward and will allow you to reach literally millions of users, but it will require some programming skills on your part. I will walk you through the startup process, and I will give you some awesome resources to help you finish creating your app. Before going there though, do you really know what an app is all about? About.com teaches us that apps is an abbreviation for application. An app is a piece of software. It can run on the internet, on your computer, on your phone, or other electronic device. The word app is a more modern usage, but is really the same thing as a program designed to fulfill a particular purpose. Facebook has prepared an awesome place for you to create your own apps on the Facebook developer site. You can go there by visiting developers.facebook.com. The first step to take before creating your own Facebook app is to create your Facebook developer's account, which is absolutely simple. You just need to log in with your Facebook personal account details. Then, click on Register. Accept the Facebook platform policy and the Facebook privacy policy. Click on Register again, and that's about it. You then will be redirected to create your app. First of all, you'll need to select a platform to get started. You'll then be able to add a name and will need to click on Create New Facebook App ID. Enter a contact email, select the right category, and click on Create App ID. Then, you'll pass through a security check. You can use an image, text, or audio to pass the security check. Here is where you should have some programming knowledge in order to create your Facebook app. There are awesome places where you can accomplish this. The first option is to simply Google Facebook App Creation Service, and you'll find several ideas where you can get everything done for you. The CygnusMedia.com service can build fantastic apps on the web, Facebook, iOS, and Android platforms. Fiverr.com will also give you several cheaper options you can test. You can just search for Facebook apps, and you'll find people willing to create and even promote your Facebook apps. You can do the same type of search at Upwork.com or at Guru.com and find a lot more options.